Hello, dear YouTube family. Today, we are going to explore how to achieve a beautiful, radiant complexion using 3 amazing ingredients that are easily found in your home.
Vaseline,
The benefits of each ingredient.
turmeric,
Turmeric naturally brightens the skin and gives it a healthy, vibrant glow. Lemon, packed with vitamin C, it helps fade dark spots and clear up skin blemishes. Vaseline locks in essential moisture to prevent dryness, leaving your face feeling soft and smooth. Preparation and application. The mixture: combine 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of Vaseline. Mix them thoroughly until you get a smooth paste. How to apply: apply the mixture to a clean, washed face and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinsing: wash your face with lukewarm water and a mild soap or cleanser. This helps remove the thickness of the Vaseline and any yellow tint from the turmeric. Pro tips for best results. This specific blend is excellent for dry skin because of the moisturizing properties of Vaseline. Avoid sun exposure. Do not go out into direct sunlight while using this mask. It is highly recommended to apply this at night. Safety first. Always perform a patch test on your hand before applying it to your face to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction or sensitivity. Try this out and share your results in the comments below. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and join our family. Thank you for watching.